good morning, and welcome once again to the office here at New Traditions Dulcimers, ukuleles, woodworks, flutes, you name it. We pretty much do it here at New Traditions in Somerset, Indiana. I want to introduce to you one of our 2021 ukuleles. This is number 250. This is a standard ukulele. It's a tenor, solid mahogany. There's no frills to this ukulele. We don't include the strap pin or side dots on the fretboard. It's just a standard ukulele. This one ships with a Gator gig bag, but it's just a great little ukulele for just strumming along. Solid mahogany, tenor, rosewood fingerboard with mother of pearl inlays, rosewood bridge, bone, nut, and saddle, sealed tuners. Really nice mahogany. I got this mahogany back in when we were still in California. I got it from a friend of mine who reclaimed it from a bunch of mahogany furniture. So this wood is super old to begin with, and I've had it for I'm guessing 5 years. So it's good and dry and really has a nice chunk to it. Mahogany, solid, reclaimed mahogany. It took us a little while to figure out how to get it playing down off of the large boards. These are all one-piece tops and one-piece backs. And the way we milled this wood, we milled it so that the sides are all one piece as well. New Tradition standard ukulele, tenor, solid mahogany. Sounds a little bit like this. Mahogany's got a really nice chunk to it. Chunky sound. It also finger picks really nicely. Whoops. There it is. All right, number 250. Tenor ukulele, New Tradition standard. It's really a no-frills ukulele. We put this in one of our Gator gig bag cases. And you can find this on our website now. Tenor ukulele, New Tradition standard. Lord bless you guys.